Oh yeah, here's the other thing I was going to tell you. You know, see this water bottle? It's oh, you don't have to get that kind, but it's an insulated one. My wife used to use that all the time for exercise. Well, she got another one, and she put that one in the cupboard, and I thought, hey, I'm going to just start using that out here. It keeps things cold. You put a little ice in there, and your water and the ice will stay there even for a couple days, depending. And I use that. In fact, I used to drink three Diet Cokes every evening when I work on posting my videos on my laptop, and now I haven't had any Diet Cokes in the refrigerator for the last, I don't know, month or so. I've just been using water. Water's the best thing for you, and that's all I can say about that. As well as, hey, if you drink a lot of carbonated drinks, if you stop drinking carbonated drinks, check this out. You stop drinking carbonated drinks, and if you drink 4 or 5 of them a day, or you just can't help yourself, if you do it for 21 days, you'll lose probably 5 pounds just by that. Okay, try it and let me know.